Welcome friends to Bonnie's Books. Today we'll be talking, singing, and reading about farms. And today we're going to talk about animal sounds to the tune of Farmer and the Dove. The ducks say quack quack, the ducks say quack quack. Hi ho the dairy-o, the ducks say quack quack. The cows say moo moo, the cows say moo moo. Hi ho the dairy-o, the cows say moo moo. How about a horse? The horse say neigh neigh, the horse say neigh neigh. Hi ho the dairy-o, the horse say neigh neigh. Then we have take me out to the barnyard. Take me out to the barnyard. Take me out there right now. Show me the cows, pigs, and horses too. I hear an oink and a neigh and a moo. There are chickens laying their eggs. If they don't lay, it's a shame. Oh, it's 1, 2, 3 eggs today, and I'm glad I came. Okay. And then we know that pigs like to roll in the mud. So we're going to do roll, roll, roll around in the mud all day. That is what pigs all like to do. What a way to play. Roll, roll, roll around, this is how they stay. Oh, so very nice and cool too on a sunny day. Okay, then we're going to read our books. Do Cows Meow by Selena Yoon. The sheep tango, the sheep cha-cha. All I know is sheep go. You can do it. Ba ba. If you know the sound, please make it. Do ducks cluck? Do ducks clack? All I know is ducks say, ready? Quack. Do frogs sew? Do frogs knit? All I know is frogs go, ribbit, ribbit. Oh, and he's got a fly. Do cats spin? Do cats bow? All I know is cats go meow. Do pigs shout? Do pigs point? All I know is pigs go oink. Do cows sing? Do cows coo? All I know is cows go moo. Do horses paint? Do horses play? All I know is horses neigh. Look, I hear all the animals all around. Let's find out who's making the sound. What goes moo? The cow. What goes oink? The pig. What goes squeal? Oh, there is a mouse. What about that? What goes quack? A duck. A horse goes neigh. A kitty goes meow. And the frog goes ribbit, ribbit. Yay. Oh, and the sheep goes ba. Okay. Now we're going to read a silly one. It's called Horses in the Pig Pen. What is the horse doing in the pig pen? Let's find out. Hey, Ma! Horse is in the pig pen, rolling in the slop. Tell it to the pigs, dear. It's fine for me to mop. Hey, Ma! Pigs are in the chicken coop, pecking in the grain. Tell it to the hen, sweep my ring, slip down the drain. Hey, Ma, hens are in the doghouse, gnawing on a bone. Tell it to the dog hun, Grandma's on the phone. Hey, Ma, dog is in the bunny hut, hopping up and down. Tell it to the bunny love, Auntie has come from town. Hey, Ma, bunny's in the cat bed, playing with the yarn. Tell it to the kitty, dear, I've 5 more socks to darn. Hey, Ma, kitty's in the duck pond, swimming on her belly. Tell it to the duck, sweet, I'm making berry jelly. Hey, Ma, Ducks are in the cow barn wearing Daisy's bell. Tell it to the cow, hun, my angel cake just fell. Hey, Ma, Daisy's up in my bed. I'm sleeping in the barn. Hey, no, go fetch the broom now. I'm straightening up this farm. Booted him out. All it took was a broom, didn't it? And now everybody's where they're supposed to be. Hey, Mom. You see what's in the bird cage? I don't think he's supposed to be there. What do you think? That was a good one. Okay, now my all-time favorite farm book is Minerva Louise. She is so funny. She's a hen that just doesn't quite get it right. Minerva Louise loved the house with the red curtains. See the red curtains. I wonder, she said, what could this be? Maybe a new place for me. Look, here's the perfect nest. Do you see where she's nesting? A comfortable chair. You see she's in the flower pot? And friendly cows. Is that a cow? Even a tractor. Oh, now you tractor lovers, is this a tractor? I don't think so. A meadow of flowers. What do you think that is, guys? Tasty foods, all kinds of things. Except there's no one here to play with. But that can't be. It's such a wonderful place. You see, she's on the laundry. Someone must be here. Oh, who are you? Will you play with me? No, not in that big puddle. I like to play in the yard with my friends. Look. There they are. I'm going out to play now, but I'll be back. And Minerva Louise did come back. Do you see what Mom's putting out in the windowsill? Because she loved the house with the red curtains. It made the perfect seat, didn't it? Okay, now our craft today is a cow. And all we used was a paper plate. And you cut a little circle, or oblong circle, out of pink paper and use some Google eyes. And actually you can use the fine motors and have them cut out their own spots for the spots on the cow. And then you just glue the ears and all the things on there. Some Google eyes too. And if you don't have Google eyes, you can always make them out of marker or crayon. So there you go. Thank you for attending Bonnie's Books. Until next time.